Okay, let's add our photos and video clips into our Kinemaster project. The first thing we need to do is open Kinemaster. Next, we're going to start a new project. Now the aspect ratio. This one would be good for YouTube. This one would be good for Instagram or Facebook. I'm going to choose this one. Now we need to open the Media tab. We're going to click here and decide whether we want videos or photos. I like to start with photos, so I'm going to click there. I like to choose a plain background for my very first image, so I'm going to click on these images, and that's going to bring up some plain images, not from my photo selection. So I'm going to choose white, and that's going to bring that image down here. Now if I'm happy with that, I'm going to click this check box over here. It's actually a circle. And now I've got that locked into place. I'm going to add more media by clicking the media button. And this time I'm going to choose video. I'm going to choose all so I can see all of my videos. I'm going to choose the sunflower. That brings Mr. Sunflower down here at the bottom, and I'm going to once again check off on that. I'm going to choose some more media. I'm going to choose another video this time. And this time I think I'm going to go with Lucy. That's going to bring Lucy down here to the bottom. And once again, click the checkbox up at the top. There's Lucy down at the bottom. I'm going to end this with a photo. And instead of choosing a plain image, I'm going to choose all, because then I can look at the pictures that I've taken that are on my phone. So I'm going to just choose my logo here and put that at the end. Click the checkbox one more time. And now they're all on there. Now if I push this play button down here, that's going to let me preview my entire video. Now I don't know about you guys, but I don't particularly find this footage very stimulating, but this is just some example footage that I wanted to show you. These clips do seem a bit long though, so I am going to show you how to shorten them very easily. Okay, now that little cure for insomnia is over, all you need to do is just click on a clip, and it's going to highlight it with these yellow tabs. Just moving these tabs from side to side is going to make it shorter. You can just shorten your clip. So I'm going to just shorten everything down so you can see how that works. And now we can click that play button again. And you can see that these clips are a lot shorter. I hope that you found that video helpful, and I hope that you take the time to look for other video tutorials about Kinemaster, not just mine, because there are some really fantastic videos out there that can really teach you how to use this really great app to make some incredible content. I did do another video about transitions and adding transitions into your Kinemaster videos, and I'm going to leave a link up here in the cards. So I do encourage you to check that out, because it's going to take what you learned today to the next level of adding those transitions. And adding the transitions is really going to give your content a lot more polish than a video without transitions. So if you like this type of video, please be sure to do the YouTube-y things, you know, thumbs up and all that. Click like and subscribe and share with someone else who maybe is using Kinemaster for the first time as well. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.